Welcome to another super quick tutorial. Today I will explain the process of recreating the iPhone camera app icon in Adobe Illustrator. If you're new on my channel, this is the right place to learn creative apps and design. If that's something you're interested in, definitely click that subscribe button to never miss a new upload. Thanks. Let's get on with the video. For those of you that are unfamiliar, there are two basic ways to store a 2D graphic file. We have the raster image, that is made from pixels, which are stacked next to each other on a canvas to create an image, and then we have the vector file. Vector is made up of curves stored as mathematical equations. If you magnify the raster image well enough, you get to a point where the individual pixels are visible. Vector, on the other hand, can be magnified infinitely, because a curve has no resolution. So today, I will be taking a screenshot, which is a raster image, and converting it into a vector file with infinite resolution. Now that we have covered the basics, let's jump to Illustrator. I started with creating a rectangle that has the same width as the icon background. I then copied the width dimensions and pasted them into the height field. Then, I overlapped it with the icon and adjusted the corner radius to match the original. Next step was matching the colors, which is a simple color gradient. I used the eyedropper tool to sample colors from the screenshot. Now I'm creating the camera body, which is a rectangle with rounded corners, with a trapezoid making up the flash on the top. Now you can see me creating the base for our flash. I created these red guidelines to estimate the angle of our trapezoid on the top. I first created the right part of the flash by modifying the rectangle with the Direct Selection tool. Direct Selection tool allows you to select each individual point of the shape and move it around. The right part was then duplicated, flipped horizontally. And all three shapes merged together using the Properties panel. I then selected the new shape with the Direct Selection tool and rounded all corners. I finalized up with sampling the camera body color. Great! Our camera body shape is finished. Let's see how it looks on the background we created. So far, so good. Next up was the lens. This was a simple circle with a stroke only. I first had to match the stroke thickness and then the color, again using a simple gradient and an eyedropper tool. I then moved the lens to the right where our new icon was forming. Now, this little yellow light. That is a simple circle with a yellow fill. We just need to match the size, color, and position properly. I then created some guidelines to be really precise with our new icon. They will come in handy when doing the final tweaks. To finish this up, I created the shutter button, which is a rectangle with the top two circles rounded. I also created a guideline rectangle to measure how far from the left edge is the shutter button located. And now it's almost done. Let's just speed up through minutes of boring tweaks and adjustments to make this really accurate. And this is it. I'm fairly happy with the result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more design content delivered to you twice a week. Until next time.